Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the updated build and the Project X content enabled before you begin. Once done, invite 2 to 3 reliable players and sync your session's start time. Make sure everyone sets role loadouts that favor stealth and crowd control to reduce random deaths. Immediately head to the approved map seed and trigger the event spawn by interacting with the marked terminal. This starts the Program X chain. Keep communication brief and call out spawns fast so you maintain momentum. Once the chain is active, follow the console objective order and split tasks. One player handles terminals, one handles crowd control, and one secures objectives. Use a single diversion gadget per wave to manipulate enemy paths and save medkits for scripted damage spikes. Make sure to mark safe zones with quick pings and rotate positions when enemies converge. If a scripted encounter begins, slow down and pace your actions. Hurried mistakes trigger wipes. So coordinate who revives and who pushes up. You finish by performing the staggered final terminal sequence. One player primes, one confirms, and one withdraws to the extraction point. Once the sequence completes, head straight to the extraction zone and start the timer to avoid late spawns. Make sure to clear choke points on the way out so the timer doesn't force risky revives. If the Program X chain fails or you hit a bug, exit to lobby and rejoin the session to reset spawns. That usually clears soft locks without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.